Namaskar, Khusro Bhatia, myself JV Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today our topic is ANS, Autonomic Nervous System. ANS is primarily concerned with regulation of visceral or vegetative functions of body, so it is also called vegetative or involuntary nervous system. Division of ANS. From anatomical and physiological point of view, ANS is divided into two divisions, sympathetic and parasympathetic division. Sympathetic division is otherwise also called thoracolumbar outflow because the preganglionic neurons are situated in lateral gray horns of 12 thoracic and first to lumbar segment of spinal cord. Fibers arising from here are known as preganglionic fibers. Preganglionic fiber leave the spinal cord through anterior nerve root and wide rami communicants and terminate in the postganglionic neurons which are situated in the sympathetic ganglia. Sympathetic division supplies smooth muscle fibers of all the visceral organs such as blood vessels, heart, lung, glands, gastrointestinal organ. Sympathetic ganglia. Ganglia of sympathetic division are classified into three groups: paraventricle, paravertebral or sympathetic chain ganglion, prevertebral or collateral ganglion, terminal or pre-peripheral ganglia. Paravertebral or sympathetic chain ganglia are arranged in a segmental fashion along with anterolateral surface of vertebral column. Ganglia on either side of spinal cord are connected with each other by longitudinal fibers to form the sympathetic chains. Both the chains extend from skull to coccyx. Ganglia of sympathetic chain trunk on each side are divided into four groups. First, cervical ganglia, 8 in number, thoracic ganglia, 12 in number, lumbar ganglia, 5 in number, and sacral ganglia, 5 in number. So here in this diagram, these are all supplies of from parasympathetic division. These are third, seventh, ninth, and 10th are cranial nerve, and then from sacral divisions. So you can see supplies to gland, heart, lungs, stomach, small intestine, colon, urinary bladder, and sex organs. Here in this site, in red, sympathetic division from thoracic and lumbar region from L1, L2. This is celiac ganglion, superior mesenteric ganglion, and inferior mesenteric ganglion. Functions of ANS. Autonomic nervous system is concerned with the regulation of functions which are beyond voluntary control. By controlling the various vegetative functions, ANS play an important role in maintaining the constant internal environment homeostasis. Almost all the visceral organs are supplied by both sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions of ANS, and the two divisions produce antagonistic effect on each organ. When the fiber of one division supplying to an organ is section or affected by lesion, the effect of fiber from other division on the organ become more prominent. Actions of sympathetic and parasympathetic division of ANS. First, these are effector organs. So eye, first one is eye, ciliary muscle of eye. Sympathetic division cause relaxation and parasympathetic division cause contraction. Pupil, sympathetic division dilate pupil and parasympathetic cause constriction of pupil. Lacrimal gland, sympathetic division decrease in secretion of lacrimation and parasympathetic increase in the secretion of lacrimation. Salivary gland, sympathetic cause decrease in secretion and vasoconstriction of salivary gland, and parasympathetic division cause increase in secretion as vasodilatation. In GIT, sympathetic division causes inhibition in motility, and parasympathetic accelerate the motility of GI tract. Sympathetic division decrease the secretion of GI tract, and parasympathetic division increase the secretion of GI tract. Sympathetic division constrict sphincter and parasympathetic division relax sphincter. This table is very important to learn. Sympathetic division relax smooth muscles and parasympathetic division contract smooth muscles. So now gallbladder, sympathetic division relax gallbladder and parasympathetic contract gallbladder. Urinary bladder, detrusor muscles relax in sympathetic division and contracted by parasympathetic division. Internal sphincter constricted by sympathetic division and relaxation caused by parasympathetic division. Sweat gland secretion increased by sympathetic division, and there is no specific role of parasympathetic division in sweat gland. Heart rate and force increases by sympathetic division and decreases by parasympathetic division. Blood vessel constriction of all blood vessels except those in heart and skeletal muscle by sympathetic division, and dilatation by parasympathetic division. Bronchioles dilate by sympathetic division and constricted by parasympathetic division. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.